Oh, I think I'm covered in sweat. What? What? Why isn't the air conditioner on? Oh. Huh? Went to go shopping, turn on the AC, XOXO, hair. Oh, I guess I could try turning it on, but it's so far away. Fine, I guess I could try. The floor's too hot. But I gotta keep going. Man, I'm so close. Just please, please let me have a go at turning on the AC. I'm gonna cook to death in the hot sun. 30 minutes later. Alright, Fox, I'm back from shopping. Did you turn on the AC? Fox, speak to me. Oh, Fox, please wake up. Please, please wake up, Fox, please. Wait a second. Oh my god, he's almost cooked alive. I better turn on the air conditioner. Come on, Fox, come on, you can do it. Oh, I'm not cooked alive anymore. Oh, Fox, you're alive. I am? Yeah. What happened? You got really hot and then you cooked alive, but I saved you by turning the air conditioner on. Oh. Today was such a weird day. I went out shopping and then I came back to you being cooked alive. Yeah, that's really weird. Come on, let's go cool off. Okay.